Yeah, boy. One Monday the children got together. They put their differences aside. They went along to Mama's door. Alright. The children said, Mama, today, yesterday, the day on which you were born, the day you became my mission, the day you became us among other nations. So we come to say, oh.
Dawn, I see one a night into a daylight. Happy birthday to Liberia. Happy birthday to this nation. Grab the feeling and shake yourself, celebrate a new sensation. Who's the next? You the best. Celebrate our success. Question out and feel blessed. There's a time over Mount Everest. Celebrate, hands up. Happy Independence Day. Celebrate, hands up. Happy Independence Day. Mama Liberia.
Performance and stuff, but honestly, we had a game. Everybody who watched the game, they seen who had more chances, but we couldn't put it away. But it was a good game overall, and I really appreciate like the host and everybody else. You know what I mean? But I think we could have done better, but we didn't. Oh, I would say a couple of people. You know what I mean? Martin Brown did his thing. Ziggy did his thing. We had a goal out this a lot. We had a goal and the goal outside later on. But overall, I can't really judge anybody. You know what I mean? But from my performance tonight, I know we did better. I was really pleased, you know what I mean, because we had like the referee was an Asian man, like one of the linemen was white, the other one was Liberian, you know. It was really nice. It's unity, that's all we're trying to promote in the community, you know what I mean?
Definitely, I was so impressed. Initially we started off a little bit shaky, But as the game progressed, you seen what happened. The boys got together, they understood the dynamics, we explained to them, and they got back to the basics. And I was so proud of them.
Good.
So the game is this. The first thing about football game is that we go according to what the referee is going to say. If you can recall when the game started first, we had a fair goal. Musa was brought down in the box. The ref allowed the play to go on. I don't know what happened. I don't know what they're claiming. But I know when you come to play the ball game, we got an official in the middle of the field, and his decisions are final. So, definitely, you've seen what I told you earlier about getting everybody involved. Tonight, we play everybody that was on the bench. We want to give these kids a chance in the park. Like, we don't want you to come here believing that you're going to play 90 minutes, especially in a game where it's a one-time thing. Every time we make selections, we're going to bring out the best. And we trust that when every player comes, he's going to deliver. And you're seeing the evidence today.